Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check app RAM usage on Android. So if you have an Android phone and you want to see which of the applications that use most of your phone RAM, then here's the video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check apps RAM usage on your Android phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Android phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on Device Care. Under Device Care, scroll down, locate and click on Memory. Then hang on for your phone to check for your memory. Once the memory pops, come here and click on View More. Then click on View More again. Then you should see which application is currently using most of your phone RAM. And as you can see here, I have Chrome, Samsung Internet Browser, TikTok, Uber, Instagram, and then if you scroll down, and just keep viewing more to see all the applications that consume most of the RAM of your Samsung phone. Now, you can keep clicking on View More to see the app that consume most of the RAM on your phone. Now, to free up this RAM, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on Clean Up Now. Once you click on Clean Now, then hang on to see your phone RAM optimized. And then once it's done, you'll see Available Memory. Then hit the back button. And then again, go ahead and click on Memory. Then hang on for your phone to check for available memories. Then you should see all these apps that are now taking up your phone memory. So that's basically how to check apps RAM usage on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.